Welcome to MIT Asia, introducing MIT PN-100P, also known as a plant nutrient. It comes in powder form and is suitable for all plants. It is rich in functional probiotics for promoting healthy plant growth, helps to improve your root growth, development, and structure, improve soil condition, provide active fertilizer to roots, and protects plants from diseases. To apply, simply mix 2 grams of PN-100P powder with soil or potting mix. Then water the plant with 1 is to 500 to 1000 water. Alternatively, you can mix 2 grams of PN-100P powder with few drops of water to create a paste. Then add the remaining portion of water and mix them evenly. Apply by pouring the mixture into your potted plant bi-weekly or pour into the plant root area bi-weekly. It is great for vegetables, plants, fruits, trees, and flowers.